you are probably going to stay broke up until the point you can get rid of this urge to label things as either good or bad. And trust me when I say this, because I have been that person and still am to some extent, right? There's this constant battle going on in my head trying to put a label on everything to decide whether something or someone is good or bad. Now, for example, let's talk about Steve Jobs. He was notorious for being extremely difficult to work with, rude, impatient, harsh, and even misogynistic to some extent. Many of his employees hated working under him. But at the same time, he revolutionized technology, shaped industries, and changed the way millions of people live. Problematic? Yes. Remarkable? Absolutely. Now, here's the point. When you feel this constant need to label things as good or bad, you are taking sides. And the people at the top, the ones who truly know how to move in life, they do not waste their time taking sides. They tap into this thing called critical thinking. They enter a state of neutrality. Because here's what you need to realize, your emotions are your currency, and the world knows this. People at the top know this. People will say things, do things just to trigger a reaction out of you. The moment you react, you have given away your power. And I'm not saying that do not have morals. Of course, have your values, they are very, very important. But also, know when to simply extract what you need from a situation or a person and move on. Because if you keep engaging with what you do not like, you're just feeding it. And you're feeding it with your energy. And trust me, I get it. I am that kind of person who constantly has to fight the urge to make quick judgments about people and situations. I am still learning not to engage with things that do not serve me right. Like, for example, if someone leaves a trashy comment on my posts or videos or whatever, maybe it's about my accent or how I look or whatever, or something that they do not like in my content, I can see their insecurities projecting onto me. And in my head, I'm thinking like, oh boy, like who hurt you? Because instead of extracting the message, they choose to focus on something totally irrelevant. And by doing that, they are not going to benefit from what I am putting out. And honestly, I do not care. My only motive with these videos is to put out my thoughts and to help you elevate to a point wherein you can step into your desired reality. If somebody chooses to focus on negativity, that only shows me where their headspace is at. Because if you do not like something, why are you still engaging with it? The more you engage, the more you are giving away your energy. And here's the deeper truth, the universe or the God, whatever you name prefer, does not care about morality. Look around you. You have seen it all your life. Why do good things not always happen to good people? Why do so called bad people seem to be winning? Because the universe is neutral. It does not reward morality, it rewards frequency. It cares about how committed you are to your vision. If you are truly aligned with your vision, at some point, you are going to have to put your feelings aside and do what needs to be done. That's how you win. I'm not saying harm somebody or break moral principles. What I'm saying is stop holding yourself back from the decisions you need to make just because you're scared of hurting somebody's feeling, just because you're scared of what people will think. People do not think, they do not care. People do not care, and that is amazing. They will not care until and unless they feel something about you. If you're holding yourself back because of what people will think, you are your own enemy. The version of you that already lives in your desired reality, the higher version of you, would not hesitate to take that step. That version of you would not stall at a decision just because somebody else might not like it. Sometimes stepping into that version of yourself requires being what others will label as selfish. And trust me, like I had to get rid of so many of my things which were very core and relative to me to be where I am right now. And that is not selfishness, that is alignment. And that's the shift that you need to make. People might not like it, but you have to do it anyway because that is your inner calling. And if that's something that you need to do, you have to do it. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.